Hi, I'm Nick Brown with Illinois Extension, and today we are to make cranberry pancakes. How delicious!
Ingredients: 2 cups of pancake mix, 2 eggs, omit if you're using complete pancake mix, 3/4 cup of skim or low-fat milk, omit if you're using complete pancakes mix, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ½ cup of canned whole berry cranberry sauce, non-stick cooking spray to grease the skillet, syrup, which is optional, ½ cup of whole berry cranberry sauce, and a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Preparation: wash hands and surfaces. Preheat skillet over medium to medium-high heat. Mix dry pancake mix, eggs, milk, vanilla, and a ½ cup of cranberry sauce in a large mixing bowl. Spray skillet with non-stick cooking spray and pour in a 1/4 cup of batter per pancake. Cook pancakes for 2 to 3 minutes per side. To make the syrup, combine a ½ cup of cranberry sauce and a 1/4 cup of maple syrup in a small saucepan. Warm over low heat while the pancakes cook. Serve pancakes and drizzle with the syrup of your choice or top with fresh berries. Enjoy! Cranberry pancakes. Yum!